Welcome, my dear friends. Namaste and happy Thursday. Every day is a new beginning. Take a deep breath. Choose to shine and bring out the best of yourself to the world today. Let's begin. We will begin this practice in cross-legged seated position. Begin to wiggle side to side, rooting your sitting bones deep down into the earth. Lengthen up out of your crown. Go ahead and rest your hands on top of your knees. Close your eyes. Relax your shoulders, relax your face. Breathe in fully. Open mouth. Exhale completely. Seal your lips, begin to breathe in and out through your nose, activating our Ujjayi breath, also known as an oceanic sound. Using the power of our breath, connect to the present moment and prepare our body for the practice. Take this opportunity as well to set a little intention for your practice or perhaps for the entire day. How would you like to see your day today? Breathe in and out. And gently open your eyes. Inhale, sweep your arms all the way up. Look up. Exhale, right hand down, left arm across your face. Lengthen out of your waist, lean a little bit deeper. Breathe in and out. Bring the gaze down. Bring your forehead to the right knee and send your left fingers long out in front of you. Take a breath in and out. Now begin to circle all the way to the left, bringing your right arm across your left ear line and coming to center, grounding your right fingers down. Inhale, sweep your arms up. Exhale, left hand down, right arm across your face. Lengthen out of your waist. Begin to breathe into your right side body. Inhale. Exhale. Bring the gaze down, bring your forehead to your left knee, sending the right fingers long out in front of you. Full cycle of breath. Inhale. Exhale. Circle to the right, bringing the left arm across your ear line, coming up to seated. Ground your left fingers down. Inhale, sweep your arms up. Exhale, plug the hands to your heart. Send both of the hands back behind you. Ground your hands, lift up through your heart, push the earth away and lift your hips up as you're dropping the gaze back behind you. Take a breath in and out. Slowly lower the hips back down, hinge forward and make your way to all fours, tabletop position. Hips over your knees, shoulders over wrist. Kick your right heel to the sky. On the inhale, cow pose, one-legged cow pose. Look up and kick that right heel all the way skyward. Exhale, cat. Bring your knee to your nose and then round your upper back as you're contracting your core. Inhale, kick up, arching the lower back. Exhale, tuck and curl, knee to your nose, round. Inhale, kick up. Exhale, round, contract. One more, inhale, kick up. Exhale, round, contract. Inhale, kick up. Stay here. Then come light on your left fingers and send the left arm all the way back behind you. Maybe you can grab your foot, and if you can, kick the foot into your hand as you're lifting up through your heart. Take a breath in and out. Bring the gaze down, ground your left hand down, bring your right knee to your forehead and step the right foot in between your hands. Sinking into low lunge. Ground both of the hands on top of your right knee, and find here a micro pulses, sinking deeper into the lunge. Relax your shoulders. Ground your left hand down. Inhale, sweep the right arm up, open across your chest, look skyward, breathe in and out. Kick the left heel to your bum, reach the right arm all the way back behind you. See if you can catch your foot. Maybe you can bring the heel closer to your bum to stretch your quad. Then pause and hold. Full breath in and out. Let it go. Look down, ground both of your hands, tuck your left toes under, push the mat away, step into downward facing dog. Send your hips nice and high. Invite a little bit of movement to your downward facing dog. Push the shoulders away from your ears. Then find stillness. Inhale, come high to your toes. Ripple forward, come to plank pose. Shoulders over hands. Lower your knees down. Begin to bend your arms and lower halfway down, hugging the ribs with your elbows. Chaturanga push-up. Untuck your toes. Inhale, let's find cobra here. So you can brace both of your legs on your mat. A little bit sway side to side. Take a breath in. Tuck your toes under. Use your core strength to lift your sitting bones high and up. Downward facing dog. Breathe in. Drop your knees down as you breathe out. Align yourself. Bring the shoulders over wrists, hips over your knees, and kick your left knee skyward. As you inhale, you're gonna lift that heel, lift your heart, cow pose. Exhale, cat, knee to your forehead, round your upper back. Inhale, kick up, arching. Exhale, knee to forehead, rounding. Inhale, kick, open up. Exhale, contract everything. One more. Inhale. Exhale. Beautiful. Inhale, kick. Stay here. Come high on your right fingers. Then lift your arm and then send the right arm all the way back behind you. See if you can catch your foot. If so, begin to kick the foot into your hand. Gaze upward. Lift your heart. Take a breath in and out. Tiger pose. Let go of your foot. Ground your right hand down. Exhale. Bring that left knee to your forehead and then step your foot in between your hands. Both hands on top of your left knee. Push that knee forward as you're sinking nice and deep. And finding here a few pulses to bring a little bit sensation into our right hip flexor. Then ground your right hand. Inhale, sweep your left arm up, open across your chest. Bring the gaze skyward. Inhale. Exhale. Then look behind you, send that left arm all the way behind you, kick your left heel towards you and see if you can grab your foot. Maybe you can squeeze that heel closer to your glute. Keep your gaze to the back of your mat. Take a breath in and out. Let this go. Ground both of your hands, tuck your right toes under, step back into downward facing dog. Right away, inhale, come high to your toes, ripple forward, plank pose. Exhale, drop your knees down, lower halfway, chaturanga. This time, maybe upward facing dog. Inhale. And then tuck your toes under, downward facing dog. Exhale. Take a full cycle of breath. And let it out. On the inhale, sweep your right heel up high, single leg, down dog. Exhale, bring that right knee to your forehead, shoulders over wrists. And step your right foot in between your hands. Sink nice and deep, activate your core. Inhale, lift up, high crescent lunge. Exhale, find dip. Square your hips, lengthen the tailbone down. Take a breath in and out. Now plug the hands to your heart. I want you to hinge forward and bring your left knee to your chest, hugging that left knee in. Find your balance. Now bend into the right knee, bring your left knee on top of the right, and you can rest your toes on the mat. Inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, left arm underneath your right, cross the elbows, palms to touch, or you can hug your shoulders, eagle pose. Sit nice and low. Maybe you can hook your right foot around your left foot around your right calf. Elbows right on top of your knees. Take a breath in and out. Slowly unwrap. Knee to chest. Reach the arms up. Inhale. And as you exhale, hinge back and come back into high crescent lunge. Inhale, open up, warrior two. Strong, powerful arms. Both heels in one line. Sink nice and deep. Breathe in and out. Inhale, reverse. Send your right arm across your face, sliding your left fingers down the left leg. Take a breath in and out. Inhale, come up, warrior two. Straighten that right leg. Exhale, send your hips back, reach forward, and let's find triangle pose. Tick-tock your arms, stack your shoulders, lengthen up. Breathe in and out. Bring the gaze down, rebend into the right knee. Ground your left hand down. As you inhale, sweep your right arm up, coming back into that easy twist. Inhale. Exhale, drop your left knee down. As you inhale, you're gonna step your right foot to the back of your mat, finding a side plank, and bring your right arm across your face. Take a full cycle of breath. Then look down, ground your right hand, ground your right knee. Tuck your toes under, find a plank pose. Maybe try to go to your chaturanga without dropping your knees. Hinge forward, shoulders passing your fingers, lower halfway. Upward facing dog, inhale. And then tuck your toes under, downward facing dog, exhale. Inhale, sweep your left heel up high, single leg, down dog. Exhale, knee to your forehead. Step the foot in between your hands. Sink nice and deep. Gather your core. Inhale, rise up. High crescent lunge. Exhale, sink deeper. Relax those shoulders. Find more energy in your fingers. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, plug the hands to your heart. Exhale, hinge forward. Bring the right knee to your chest. Hug it in. Find your balance. Then bend into your left knee. Right knee on top of your left. Rest your toes on the mat. Inhale, sweep your arms up. Exhale, right arm underneath your left. Cross your elbows, palms to touch. Eagle pose. Sink nice and low. Maybe right foot can hook around your left calf. Stack the elbows over your knees. Take a full breath in and out. Slowly draw the right knee to your chest. Inhale, sweep the arms up. Exhale, hinge back. Find high crescent lunge. Inhale, open up, warrior two. Gaze to your front hand. Sink a little bit deeper, shoulders over hips. Breathe in and out. Inhale, reverse. Left arm across your face, sliding the right fingers down. Lengthen out of your waist. Breathe in and out. Inhale, warrior two. Straighten that left leg. Send your hips back. Reach forward, tick-tock your arms. Find Trikonasana triangle pose. Breathing and out. Look down, rebend into your left knee and ground your right hand down. As you inhale, sweep your left arm up, open your heart, take a breath in. And as you breathe out, drop your right knee down. Inhale, step your left foot to the back of your mat, find a side plank, and then bring the left arm across your ear line. Breathe in and out. Look down, ground your left hand down, ground your left knee down, tuck your toes under, find a plank pose. Shoulders over wrist, hinge forward, hinge forward, hinge forward, and then lower halfway, chaturanga push-up. Upward facing dog. Inhale, engage your quads, lift your knees off the mat. Exhale, tuck your toes under, downward facing dog. Take a breath in and out. Lower down to your knees. We will take one more pose to end this practice. Come all the way up into kneeling position. Tuck both of your toes under, hands to your lower back. Getting ready for camel pose. Ustrasana. Push the hips forward. Lift up through your heart and drop the gaze back behind you. Notice how you feel. Try to squeeze the elbows towards each other. And if you feel comfortable, bring one hand to one heel and then the other hand to the other heel. Try to find the floor with your gaze. Breathe in and out. Hands back to your lower back. First, sink your sitting bones down to the heels and then lift your gaze. Untuck your toes. Make your way into child's pose. Send the arms long out in front of you. Relax the entire body. Breathe into your lower back. Inhale. Open mouth. Exhale. Let go of any tension out of your body. Take one more breath here. Lift your gaze, slowly make your way up to seated position. Squeeze the knees toward each other, hands resting on top of your thighs. Take a moment to express gratitude for waking up healthy today, for creating time to show up for yourself and take care of your body and health. With gratitude, plug the hands to your heart. Take a cleansing in breath and let go of everything that no longer serves you. Beautiful. Gently open your eyes. Applause to yourself. High five, my friend. Great job. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for moving and breathing with me and sharing your beautiful presence and energy. If you did enjoy this practice, drop me a comment down below and let me know how are you feeling after this practice. I wish you a shine, beautiful day full of joy and happiness. I'll see you again tomorrow. From my heart to yours, namaste.